In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile picture in ClickUp. To get started, open ClickUp and sign in to your account. Once you're inside your workspace, look to the upper right corner of the screen and click on your personal avatar. This will open your account menu. From there, select Settings to open the My Settings area, where your personal account details can be managed. When the settings page opens, stay in the Profile section. Here, you'll see your current avatar. Click on that avatar to begin updating your profile image. A menu will appear, and from that menu, choose Add Custom Avatar. This tells ClickUp that you want to upload a new profile picture from your device. Next, browse your device and choose the image you want to use as your new profile picture. After selecting the image, upload it to ClickUp. For the best result, ClickUp recommends using an avatar that is 300 by 300 pixels. Using the suggested size can help your image appear clear, centered, and properly formatted throughout the platform. Once you've selected the file, give it a moment to finish uploading. Depending on your connection speed and the size of the image, this may take a few seconds. It's a good idea to wait until the upload fully completes before navigating away, so the change is saved correctly. After the upload is done, return to your ClickUp workspace. At this point, your new profile picture should now appear as your personal avatar throughout ClickUp. This means you'll see it anywhere your account avatar is shown, helping personalize your workspace and making your account easier to recognize. If you ever decide you want to remove the picture later, the process is simple. Go back to Settings, then Profile, and click your avatar again. This will open the same Image Options menu. From there, select the option to remove the uploaded image. Once you do that, ClickUp will automatically return your profile to the default avatar. That's all it takes to update or remove your profile picture in ClickUp. Just open your account menu, head into Settings, choose your avatar, upload your image, and let ClickUp apply the change across your workspace. Thanks for watching.